talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on block, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to notification for blocked messages, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here notification for blocked messages enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.